Hey, today I'm gonna be doing hard level hard Return of the Phantoms. I'm at level 3. I'm with a level 9 in assassin. So I have nothing to say. I'll just let you watch silently and see how to do it. Say hi.
Change your mind about handling Brad yourself, then go see Luigi Vendetta. I think I can handle Brad on my own.
Say hi to YouTube.
East Melbourne's finest Italian Canadian cafe. Forget about it. Welcome to Forget About It. I'm here for Luigi Vendetta. Mr. Vendetta? I came requesting a favor.
I'm sorry if you can hear the TV in the background.
You come requesting a favor? You're Luigi Vendetta? Yes. Sit, please. So, I understand we have a situation with the big brother? It's just that Brad's on. Say no more. I understand. And I can deal with this for you. All I ask in return is a favor. To be called for at a later date. If I accept, what will you do to Brad? What will I do? So, what are you gonna do? I'll take care of it. And by the time I'm finished, you have Brad doing whatever you want them to. That's all you need to know. Brad doing whatever I want him to. That's all I need to know. That's right, my friend. Because once Luigi starts something, he finishes it. Can I get a doggy bag for this?
Can hear. Okay, this is my friend Awesome Zoe.
Oh, this is gonna be good. I can't wait to see what Luigi's gonna do to Brad.
Awesome Zoe. And this is over there. Showing off the name. Showing off your name. Showing off your name.
I gotta stop Luigi. It's time. Keep it down. Time to join the movie. Yeah, we'll just pick it in. I mean, hey, that's not the cops. Let's get this. I have to make sure nothing happens to Brad. This movie stinks. Yeah, we want my money back. Ooh, I'm here for Luigi. You went out on a job, eh? What does that mean? It means he's gonna take care of it. Real good. I gotta get to Brad before Luigi does. Wait, stop, Luigi. Paper cut. Where'd you get your clothes? Right there.
Nope. I'm level 4. I'm level 4. I'm level 4. The word dope always gets me. I'm level 4. Nah. Nah. Stupid style cake. I just
Okay, Brad, I have to tell you, I hired someone to settle the score between us, but I realized it was a mistake, and I've been trying to call it off all day. So please forgive me, and let me help you hide from this guy, because the truth is, Brad, you're my brother. And what? Oh, back for more?
a stupid star cake.
Wonder how I'm gonna beat you down today. Decisions. Will it be the Philly Fist, or the Portland Pounder, the Walla Walla Wessie, or maybe the Jersey Jazz? Begging won't save you. Nothing will save you. Who are you supposed to be, small fry? My name is Luigi Vendetta. I am the youngest of 7 brothers. I have acquired skills. Skills that make it tough for older brothers everywhere. I have been sent to Sator's core at the request of your little brother. I'm so scared. I'm terrified. Please don't hurt me. I promise I'll stop. Really? No, not really. Shrimp.
Okay, that's it, guys. Bye.